Did you know 70% of adults with special needs want to drive? Let's make that dream a reality. Hey there, I'm Stefan, your personal driving instructor, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. At Driving School Stefan, we specialize in teaching individuals with fear of driving, exam anxiety, ADHD, autism, and more. Our lessons are personalized just for you because I believe everyone deserves the freedom of mobility. With a focus on your unique needs, I'll help you build the skills and confidence to drive safely. Driving isn't just about getting a license, it's about gaining independence and empowerment. So why wait? Contact me today and let's embark on this journey together. Your success and safety matter. Let's make driving a joyful experience. See you on the road.